Hello, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Leonardo.ai real-time generation. So first of all, you need to log in here. So this link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So first of all, I click real-time generations. Then I want to write a prompt, a tiger run a road. You can see this is a real time generate this AI tool. So I want to keep install. I want to this one and this one. Wow, this look like a cartoon and it's really like actually. So I want to add something and a fox. Wow, this is not working actually. So I want to write here about jungle, road and a jungle. So I delete road. Wow, this look like very good and attractive. So I want to type here two tiger run a jungle. So just enter. Baby, two tigers run a jungle. This look like really fantastic. So if you want to more video this type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful, like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, bye.